What do women want? Avoid these style mistakes that give them the ick. Hello, gentlemen. Today we're tackling a question that's puzzled men for decades. What do women want? Thankfully, women are now openly sharing what they love and what gives them the ick. It's that sudden loss of attraction caused by seemingly small style choices. Let's dive in. 1. Hats. Tread lightly. Hats came up repeatedly during my research as a major fashion faux pas. Let's break it down. Fedoras and trilbies. Unfortunately, these once classic hats are now synonymous with the infamous neckbeard stereotype. Unless you carry yourself with the effortless charm of Don Draper, which, let's be honest, most of us don't, it's best to steer clear. Beanies and bucket hats. These are often associated with youth culture, skaters, and indie kids. As an adult man, wearing these can come off as immature. Baseball caps. Surprisingly, women didn't mention these as a major turn-off. They're acceptable for casual outfits. Just don't make it your go-to look. 2. Skinny jeans. Are out. Skinny jeans were a huge surprise on my ick list. Women consistently mentioned them as a major turn-off, especially when they're distressed with rips and fades. Back in the emo band days, they were all the rage, but times have changed. For adult men, skinny jeans simply aren't flattering, whether you have skinny legs or muscular thighs. Instead, opt for classic slim cuts like Levi's 511s or Wrangler cowboy cuts. They're versatile, timeless, and look good on just about anyone. 3. Sock mistakes to avoid. This one's simple but important. Here are the biggest sock-related picks. Ankle socks. Women describe these as dainty and feminine, not a strong look for men. Stick with white crew socks or no-show socks instead. Black socks with white sneakers. This color clash makes you look like you grabbed the first pair of socks your mom left in your drawer. Opt for white or neutral-colored socks with white sneakers. 4. Avoid flashy logos. Wearing flashy designer logos screams insecurity. But surprisingly, even everyday logos like Levi's or Patagonia can be off-putting. Why wear a t-shirt with Levi's plastered across it when a simple, high-quality plain white tee looks far more elegant? Stick to clean, logo-free clothing. Brands like H&M, Zara, or True Classic offer affordable options. 5. Golf polos. Keep them on the course. Performance fabric golf polos have a distinct look and feel, perfect for the course, but out of place with jeans or chinos. One woman put it best. The clash of fabrics is just awkward. Instead, invest in high-quality regular polos that pair effortlessly with jeans or chinos for a polished look. 6. Shorts that should stay in the past. If you're in a warm climate, be mindful of your shorts. 2 styles that consistently give women the ick are jean shorts. Once popular in the early 2000s, they became outdated and juvenile. Plaid shorts. These scream frat boy circa 2005. Not a great vibe. Opt for simple chino shorts instead. They're timeless, mature, and effortlessly stylish. 7. The belt rule, don't skip it. Gentlemen, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the side of the moon. Nothing is more unattractive than bending over and exposing your backside. Here's the fix. Always wear a belt and make sure it's properly adjusted. Tuck in your shirt when appropriate. It creates a cleaner silhouette and prevents wardrobe malfunctions. 8. Underwear matters. If you've reached the stage where a woman sees your underwear, don't ruin the moment with poor choices. The picks here include tighty whities, baggy boxers, outdated styles. Instead, go for boxer briefs in solid colors like black, navy, or gray. They're flattering, modern, and universally preferred. 9. Say no to 2-in-1 shampoo. This one might be controversial, but women consistently mentioned their dislike for men using 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It signals a lack of care for grooming. Even if you don't condition your hair, invest in separate shampoo and conditioner bottles. It shows you put thought into your self-care routine. Final thoughts. Navigating style can be tricky, but by avoiding these common mistakes, you'll elevate your look and leave a lasting positive impression. Until next time, stay sharp and stay confident.